In the kingdom of Aranthia, nestled between towering mountains and sprawling forests, there lived a young herbalist named Lyra. Lyra possessed a rare gift, the ability to communicate with plants and harness their healing powers. When a mysterious illness spread across the land, threatening to devastate the kingdom's crops and livelihoods, Lyra embarked on a quest to find the legendary Garden of Healing. Along her journey, she encountered magical creatures, navigated enchanted forests, and faced trials that tested her compassion and resilience. Through her odyssey, Lyra discovered that true healing lay not only in the potency of herbs, but in the bonds of friendship and the strength of community. Emerging victorious, Lyra restored health to Aranthia and became a revered guardian of nature's bounty.